This is my final project for CS50 programming with Python. I decided to implement 2048, the number sliding game. I'm Alan Terrain from Buffalo, New York. So here's my project. I decided to implement it with GUI. So let's go ahead and start the game. I'm going to press start. And I see that we have all the numerals, and I have the initial configuration when we have twos placed at random on the board. We use the keys, the directional keys, to move the numbers, to slide these numbers and combine them. So I combine some twos, so I'm going to combine these fours, and then so on and so forth. So this just keeps going on, and then the objective of the game is to eventually get to 2048. So that will take a while, but otherwise let me go ahead and exit. So here's the code for the game. I decided to implement it in a class that I called 2048. So you can see there's various methods, but most of the logic is in this move method. And then as we scroll down, I decided to put the GUI code here in the main function. And then finally, we have some more logic within the merge, slide leftward, and combine pairs. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.